Hello viewers, this is Dao2Fast here. In today's video I will be replacing the rear struts on the liftgate of this Honda Odyssey. This one I have here is a 2008 Honda Odyssey EX model, so it does not have power liftgate, but instead it has the manual liftgate. And recently I noticed the two struts is not holding up the liftgate anymore, so let me show you what the issue is. When you open this up, it's very heavy and it will not stay up. It just drop. Now the first step in replacing a strut is you need to prop the liftgate up. I'm going to use a ladder here to hold the liftgate up. On top of the ladder, I added a box just to get the liftgate all the way up. And here's a look at this factory gas strut. And you can see this is loose right now because there's no weight placed on this strut. Using a flathead screwdriver, carefully pry on this metal clip right here. So it comes out about this much, and then you can remove the strut. At the top of the strut, do the same thing. We'll pry out this metal clip. Now this comes out. And here's a look at the replacement struts. These ones I got here is from the company Max Pow. Got these on Amazon, is about $27. This is the original factory one right here. And here is the new one that I'll be installing. Installation is very simple. You don't even need to pry on this metal clip. All you have to do is push this on and it'll lock it in place. And here's the bottom of the strut. And you might need to use one hand to push the liftgate as high up as possible. And then this will fit on. Now we'll repeat the same procedure on the other side. And again, push up on the liftgate to get as high as possible. Now when I remove the box and the ladder, the liftgate will stay up. So as you can see, this is a quick and easy fix. If you're having a problem with your manual liftgate and it's not staying up, most likely the gas struts need to be replaced. I hope you find this video to be helpful. And if you want to do this repair yourself, I will include the link to where you can get the part in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section. And don't forget to click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.